What's good? How you guys doing? Welcome back to a brand new video. Today is Saturday, and that means we got cars and coffee in the mix. I know it's been a little bit since I've last uploaded, but I've been doing a few cars and coffee and car shows, and honestly, I was just enjoying it more than filming, and I kind of wish I did, but I just haven't had the content to really upload. But hopefully today's gonna be a good one. Right now, I'm headed out to the gas station to get some gas and head out. It's about an hour out, so I'll keep you guys in tune. We're gonna meet up with my buddy Steve when we get there. You guys ain't seen him on the channel in a while. I've been meaning to put him on here, but he done got an LT1 now, so I'll let you guys see that. But we're finna get to the gas station, and I'll show you what the car looking like in here in just a minute. Jeez, gas prices just keep going up. Give you guys a little walk around of the car. We got it all cleaned up and shit. Got the tire shot on, got it all waxed up. Alright guys, we just finished getting gas. I'm headed to meet up with my buddy now, and then we're gonna roll into the cars and coffee from there. Honestly, I do got a surprise for you guys though. Coming soon, hopefully within the next few weeks. I got a new hood ordered and a chin spoiler. It's gonna look amazing, getting the lowering springs thrown on next week. We constantly just add to this build and growing from here. I hope you guys appreciate all the work I've been putting in for all that. But I'll catch up to you guys when we meet up with Steve, and we'll go from there. Alright, so we're pulling in to meet Steve right now. There he is. You guys ain't seen him on the channel yet, but he got a 2020 LT1, which is beautiful. Yeah. Tell him what you got, Steve.
Shit, it's just some long tube headers. I got them installed by my nigga Gavin. I haven't got it tuned, but I mean, it's loud now.
For sure. This is new car because y'all ain't seen it on here yet. 2020 LT1. Tell him 10 speed. Hey, let me hear it real quick. Now he can't go over 4K yet, but we can still get an understanding. For sure. That bitch sounds way better. Yeah, that's what I wanted to hear. That sounds mean. Chase here. 10 speed. Got me. Got Steve.
I do anything in my power to see you just smile. I want you to prosper and come proper, even if that means I ain't by your side. I do anything in my power to see you just smile. I want you to prosper and come proper, even if that means I ain't by your side. Devil on my shoulder telling me I'll die soon. I don't really want that to impact you, but I don't know, maybe I'm just paranoid. I just want the best for you, I just want what's left of you. Oh, you tell me that you're sad inside. I'm sad that I can't satisfy. Yeah, I pray that I get it right this time. Maybe we'll be alright. Oh, you tell me that you're sad inside. I'm sad that I can't satisfy. Yeah, I pray that I get it right this time. Maybe we'll be alright. Where to see you just smile. side. I do anything in my power to see you just smile. I want you to prosper and come proper, even if that means I ain't by your side. I do anything in my power to see you just smile. I want you to prosper and come proper, even if that means I ain't by your side. I want it, I guess I don't need it. Treat it like a change, you know you can keep it. Lately I've been changing, kept that a secret. Now I'm letting it out the cage, gotta let it breathe, yeah. Ain't the same as I was a day ago. It's a miracle, it's a miracle. Take the drugs, it feels like a miracle. Take the drugs and get a little spiritual, yeah. Not enough, I'm not enough. I haven't had enough. I want to double up. Why need a double cup? I drink the whole pint tonight. Hope me I die tonight. Hope me I'm set free. Where to see you just smile. Or even if that means I ain't by your side. Where to see you just smile. Or even if that means I ain't by your side. I do anything in my power. I want you to prosper and come from. I do anything in my power. I want you to prosper and come from. I do anything in my power to see you just smile. I want you to prosper and come proper, even if that means I ain't by your side. I do anything in my power to see you just smile. I want you to prosper and come proper, even if that means I ain't by your side. Even if that means I ain't by your side.
Hit that first. You see the calipers though, how big they are? fucking unit. Dude, I love old fucking cars, dude. It's like
Yeah. Nice chrome pieces.
Alright, what's going on? That's going to conclude the vlog for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. I threw some clips in there too from the previous month where I went to a car show, and just to show you some of the stuff going on there, so that way it's all not just boring old content. We're going to try to spice things up in the future, go to bigger car shows, bigger car events, get you guys some more content, racing videos, some install videos, because when my hood and chin spoiler get here, I will definitely make a video on installing that. But if you guys did enjoy the content you've seen today, please make sure to hit that like button and subscribe. You can hit the bell as well if you want to always get notifications for when I upload, and just comment what you guys want to see next. I hope to continue to grow on YouTube and try to be a little bit more active than I have. I just kind of was feeling down, but I'm up and inspired now to get back out there and do what I want to do. So until next time, I'll see you guys, and peace out.